Видавництво «Лінгвіст» та National Geographic Learning представляють серію відеоуроків до підручника Imagine for Ukraine 1.
Hello, friends. My name is Yana. Welcome to Imagine 1. And I will have Irina with me today. She will help me revise some vocabulary, and it will be a lot of fun. So, let's start. Our reading anthology pages. And the song is called Ride Along Animal Song. So, today we will read a story, Drive Along Animal Song. For this you will need student's book, Imagine, pages 84, 85, and 86. But let's revise some words before we start reading. So, hello. Hello. Repeat after me. Hello. Good job, everyone. Now I will ask Irina to help me.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Say after me. Goodbye.
Okay, great job, everyone. Sing. Sing. Repeat after me. Sing. Great work. Let's move on to other words. Stand up. Stand up. Repeat after me. Stand up. Awesome. Irina?
Sit down. Sit down. Repeat after me. Sit down. Great job. Yeah.
Yeah, good job. Irina, you're doing very well. Thank you. Can you tell me, what would I ask? Irina, do you have any idea?
None. I have no idea.
I wanted to ask, how are you? How are you? Everyone, repeat after me. How are you? Okay, great job. Now, Irina, help me answer this question.
I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you. Let's say it together. I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, great job, everyone. And Irina, great job too. Sorry, I just decided to ask you if you knew the question I was going to ask. But yeah, thank you. Great job. Okay. What's your name? What's your name? Repeat after me. What's your name? Irina?
My name is Irina. My name is Irina. Repeat after me. My name is Irina. You can say your own name here too.
Yeah. Okay, awesome, everyone. Cat. Cat. Repeat after me. Cat. Awesome. Well, I will ask Irina to help me with the next word.
Cow. Cow. Repeat after me. Cow.
Great job, everyone. Okay. Dog. Dog. Repeat after me. Dog. Good job, everyone. Irina, can you help me?
Obviously. Horse. Horse. Repeat after me. Horse.
Okay. Great work, everyone and Irina. Okay. Rabbit. Rabbit. Repeat after me. Rabbit. Good job, everyone. Now, we will start with our song. So, let's open students' books if you have ones, but if you don't, it's fine. You will see the text on the screen. Page 84. The name of our song is Drive Along Animal Song. We will do our song almost like a karaoke, right? You will see the words, you will see the pictures, and you can sing along with the song. I think me and Irina will also try to dance a little bit as we go, and you can do that as well. Don't worry about anything, just enjoy to singing and dancing and having a great time with your classmates.
Yes.
And
So physical response. Yes, let's move it.
Yes. Okay, let's start.
Drive Along Animal Song.
Drive, drive, drive along. Come on now, let's sing a song. Off we go, you and me. Sing along, lots to see. What's your name? Say hello. Come on, horse. Time to go. Sing, sing, sing along. Come on, rabbit. Here's a song. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Come on, cow. Lots to do. Sing, sing, sing along. Come on, cat. Here's a song. Sit down and say hello. Stand up, dog, and off we go.
Okay, great work, everyone. I hope you enjoyed listening to the song and feeling the rhythm, dancing a little bit. But now let's listen to it one more time. And please try to sing when you see some familiar pictures, familiar words. Let's try, okay?
Drive along, animal song.
Drive, drive, drive along. Come on now, let's sing a song. Off we go, you and me. Sing along, lots to see. What's your name? Say hello. Come on, horse. Time to go. Sing, sing, sing along. Come on, rabbit. Here's a song. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Come on, cow. Lots to do. Sing, sing, sing along. Come on, cat. Here's a song. Sit down and say hello. Stand up, dog, and off we go.
Okay, once again, awesome everyone. So now let's remember what we sang about and what we saw on our screens. So now we all can say the words hello, goodbye, sing, stand up, sit down. We also can ask, how are you? Answer, I'm fine, thank you. Ask, what's your name? Answer, my name is, and add your name. But we also can say cat, dog, cow, horse, rabbit. Thank you everyone for being a part of our first lesson, reading lesson. And I will ask you to give this video later on, if you watch it one more time, a thumbs up. And thank you everyone so much. And Irina, thank you so much for helping me out today. And that's all from me.
Дякуємо за увагу. До зустрічі на наступних уроках.